Are you worried about managing your diabetes? Fear not. Managing diabetes can indeed be a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and tools, it becomes much easier. One of the most crucial aspects of managing diabetes is maintaining a healthy diet. The foods you consume play a significant role in regulating your blood sugar levels and overall well-being. So let's dive into some delicious and nutritious foods that can help you stay healthy and keep your diabetes in check. Here are some delicious foods that'll help you stay healthy. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals can make a world of difference. Not only are they packed with essential nutrients, but they also taste great, making it easier for you to stick to a healthy eating plan. Let's explore these foods in more detail. First up, leafy greens like spinach and kale. These greens are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to smoothies. Leafy greens are also low in calories, making them an excellent choice for weight management, which is crucial for diabetes control. Packed with fiber and low in carbs, they'll keep your blood sugar steady. Fiber is essential for slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, the low carbohydrate content of leafy greens means they have a minimal impact on your blood sugar, making them a safe and healthy choice for diabetics. Next, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, you name it. Berries are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Berries are also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Full of antioxidants and low on sugar, they're a sweet treat you can enjoy guilt-free. Antioxidants are crucial for combating oxidative stress, which is often elevated in individuals with diabetes. The natural sweetness of berries makes them a perfect alternative to sugary snacks, allowing you to satisfy your sweet tooth without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Don't forget about fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. Fatty fish are an excellent source of high-quality protein and healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are essential for heart health, which is especially important for diabetics, as they are at a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. They're rich in omega-3, great for your heart and blood sugar levels. And nuts, almonds, walnuts, you pick. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels, all of which are beneficial for managing diabetes. Nuts, on the other hand, are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a perfect snack option. They're perfect for snacking and packed with healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for maintaining cell structure and function, and they also help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Nuts are also rich in magnesium, which plays a role in insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Finally, whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. Whole grains are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which are digested more slowly than simple carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. They are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutritious addition to any meal. They'll keep you full and your blood sugar stable. The fiber content in whole grains helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, whole grains have a lower glycemic index compared to refined grains, making them a better choice for blood sugar management. Eating well can be delicious and easy. With a little planning and creativity, you can prepare meals that are both nutritious and tasty. Experiment with different recipes and ingredients to find what works best for you. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is variety and balance. Keep these foods in mind, and you'll be on your way to managing diabetes like a boss. Incorporating these foods into your daily routine can help you maintain stable blood sugar levels, improve your overall health, and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. It's all about making smart food choices and being mindful of what you eat. Remember, it's all about balance and making smart choices daily. Stay happy, stay healthy. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, and proper medication management are the cornerstones of effective diabetes management. By making informed food choices and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can take control of your diabetes and live a fulfilling life. Stay positive, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay healthy.